welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to unbox another box, and this is a fab bag for the month of September. So without wasting any time, I'm just gonna open it and see what I got. And I'm excited because they asked us to choose one of their products. It's a sugar product, like their mini lipstick or something like that. So I chose the color, which I don't have. So yeah, I'm super excited for that one. And also, let's see what else I got. So this is how the bag looks like. It's really pretty material. It's a black and white pouch and a very nice size pouch, I would say. Really nice size. And yeah, I really love the pouch. Really nice material as well. So let's just open and see what's inside. Alright, first I'll be taking all the info cards here. So this is the sensational 6th September fab bag, and yeah, all the product details are here. I have a renewal coupon code, a 10% off discount coupon code. So I'll be mentioning it underneath, so you can just, avail the discount. And then there's info about their contest, which is held every month on Instagram, so you can participate in that. And then I have some products. So the very first thing I can see is a Sebum Olive face and body wash. It's for sensitive and delicate skin. It is soap and alkali free, extra mild cleansing for sensitive skin. Yes, I need extra mild soaps for my sensitive skin, because these days my skin was going through a lot, but it's changing dramatically, and I have a product for that and I will be sharing soon. But I can use this because this is very mild, so I can use this. And this Sebum Olive face and body wash retails for 67 rupees, and the amount of product I got here is 20 ml, which is a nice travel size product, I would say. So it's really nice to travel with. Now let's just check out another products. Alright, then I see a sheet mask. I love using sheet masks. They provide such hydration to your skin. It's like this, they are like skin food basically. So this is by Bolly Glow Star Beauty Secrets, and this is bamboo face mask moisturizing. So yeah, another good sheet mask I would love to try. This Bolly Glow bamboo sheet face mask retails for 195 Indian rupees, and this is like a full size product, so that's amazing. Yeah. Alright, so the next thing I can see is, alright, so this is like a scrub. This is rejuvenating face and body scrub for all skin types. Actually, I have stopped using scrubs from few days, and I will tell you why in my how I cleared my skin video. So I will tell you why. So I'm not using any scrubs. So yeah, I think this is of no use now. And this one is, the amount of product I'm getting here is 40 grams, and it retails for 580 rupees. So seems like a good scrub, but I'm not using these days, so I think I'll just give it off to someone. This is the Herbal Blend Rejuvenating Face and Body Scrub. Again, it's a full size product and it retails for 580 Indian rupees. So this is the scrub. Smells nice. I might use it on my body, but not on face. Let's just check out what else I got. Alright, then I see a mist. Alright, so this is by Ohria Ratrani and Mint Facial Mist. It's for uplifting, refreshing and hydration. And the amount of product I'm getting here is 50 ml of product, that is 1.7 O's. It retails for 360 rupees. I think it's just like a refreshing mist you can use on your face. So yeah, that's that. Alright, I'm left with 3 products. One is the sample size. This is like a face wash. I have used this face wash. This is Acne's foaming face wash. It controls oils, removes germs. So it's just like a really nice purifying face wash. Yeah, I've used this and it's like a decent one. Then I'm left with 2 more products, and both are of Sugar Cosmetics. So let's get started. So the very first thing I can see is All Set to Go translucent powder. I already have this. I use it and I totally love this powder. So definitely this will be going for a giveaway, and I will be doing the giveaway soon. As you can see that I am about to hit 100k, so this will be a part of that giveaway. Yeah, this is like a full size product, and this is a Sugar All Set to Go translucent powder, and it retails for 599 rupees, and it's a really good one. I really love it, and I'm so glad that they included this kind of product in the bag. I don't want to open it. I'll just show you which I already have. I'll just show you that. It's alright. So I got my powder as well. It's still in the packaging, and this is the one I got in the bag. So I'll just show you how this is and how it looks like. I really like that they have included the mirror in it, which is amazing. So this is how it looks like. It's really nice. I really love the packaging, and this is how it looks when you open it. You have a mirror over here, which is amazing, and you have a puff over here, which is again amazing. Yeah, so this is the powder basically. It's really fine and really nice. Love it. And it's fragrance free, and it's just very nice powder to set your under eye concealer or your whole face. So I really love this one. So one of you will be getting the new one here. Anyways, let's just check out what else I got, and I think that I am left with just one last product, which is the lipstick I'm most excited about, because it's like cute little mini lipstick, which is very nice for traveling. Oh my god, it's so cute. Look how cute this lipstick looks like. This is Sugar It's About Time Vivid Mini Lipstick, and I chose for the shade 08 Brownton Abbey, and this is like a really nice cute little sample size, but this one retails for 270 Indian rupees, and the amount of product you're getting is 1.7 grams. Look how cute this lipstick is. Like, look at the size of this lipstick if you compare it to my hand, and my hands are pretty small, and it's like smaller than that. It's really cute lipstick, I would say. Oh my god, so cute. It's so cute. Like, it's just like a mini version of their original lipstick, which is amazing. And this is how the shade looks like. Really nice brown color for Indian skin tone. Ooh, it's a very nice color. It just reminds me the Clear Underwood shade. It's a really pretty shade. Love it. Really nice for traveling. Definitely going into my purse. So yeah, that was it for September's Fab Bag, and I completely loved this time Fab Bag's content. I love that they have included the setting powder from Sugar, which is really amazing, and this cute little lipstick, which is again very good for traveling. I love that they have included a sheet mask, which I enjoy using it. So yeah, rest of the things are fine, they are workable, but I really love the pouch. All in all, like, love the content and the pouch as well. So I really loved this time's bag. So yeah, every detail about this bag will be in the description box, and you want to subscribe it for yourself, go check out their website and subscribe it for yourself. And if you're watching me for the very first time, then please do hit the subscribe button. Help me grow, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful and stay healthy. Bye.